What's up mga ka-crazy? Ayan, mag-unbox tayo ng Hot Wheels Ultimate Collector Case. Boom! Ito nga pala yung box na may laman na 4 connectable 2x2 cases at 2 basic cars. Ayan guys, buksan natin. Ayan, may handle pa. Wow! Alright. Ayan guys, may ano pa siyang clear cover. Napakaganda talaga ng case na to guys, pang collect. Ganda din ng basic car, Shelby Cobra na pang racing. Okay, yung second car naman ay Silverado EV RST. Napakaangas na pickup, machong macho. Ito ay nasa green na speed series. Ayan guys. Ang galing guys, ganda. Ayan. Isa pang box, buksan natin. Ayan guys, iba naman ang kulay nito, kulay blue. Ayan ang kanyang case. Ayan, pwede rin connect ng back to back. Okay. So ang kanyang first car ay isang 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Wow, macho din guys. At ang second car ay itong Rabinger. Hindi ako familiar sa kotse nito. Comment na lang guys kung ito ba ay fantasy car. Ayan guys, paano mag-connect? Ayan, pwede siyang top to bottom. Ang side by side, detachable, endlessly connectable at easy to carry. Ayan guys, ayan. Ang kanyang handle, pwede mong i-slide. Napakadaling i-slide guys. Ayan, top and bottom, i-connect natin. Yun, boom! Alright. Yan guys. Ganda. Orange tsaka blue. Okay. Ayan. Pwede rin lagyan ng handle. Easy to carry. Okay. Ayan. Side by side naman. Ayan guys. Oh, napakaangas. Alright. Layan. Saktong sakto. Kaya guys, collect na. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and follow for more Hot Wheel videos.